Hey guys! Welcome to the HVAC Diaries! It has been a hot minute since I've been here. I think I last posted 14 weeks ago. So you guys know I went to refrigeration school to do my level 3. It is done. It's in the bag. I'm waiting for my certificate in the mail. And I'm registered for my level 4 in February of 2024. So we're getting there. Speaking very truthfully about my level 3, I found it really challenging. I found that I had to study every single night, like a lot. We wrote exams every Friday, and I just had my nose in the books for the entire 10 weeks. Very happy with my result, and yeah, just very thrilled that it's over. And then the most exciting part of this video is I just spent the last 3 days in Atlanta for the AHR Expo. Oh my goodness, what an event. I attended CMPX in Toronto last year in March. AHR is like CMPX times 10. It's just something else, next level. But actually, let's roll it back a little bit. So I went to the AHR Expo with my brother. We traveled together. We left at 6 a.m. on Sunday morning out of Vancouver. When we landed, we hopped into a taxi, hopped into the shower, hopped into a dress, hopped into an Uber, and we were on the red carpet of the HVAC Tactical Awards by 6 p.m. And that was an incredible event. Blue collar goes black tie.
It was a joke, and I said, solder weld should definitely put my logo on a hot block. And then magically, 2 years later, it showed up, and I was like, let's do this. So that's how it came to be.
Everyone was dressed to the nines. Having the best time. We gave away some amazing awards.
Really proud of all of us. Everything that everyone does in our community, especially here, this is like family free.
Just try to do my best. That's it. I couldn't really do any of this without any of you.
I had the honor of giving out the Lady of the Trade Award.
So you're welcome. You're welcome. I saw Mr. Eric Kaiser running around. Where's he at?
Have been present for a long time, and some even dominating their fields. From technicians to installers, sales to engineers, admin to business owners, women are making serious moves in the trade, and we're often overlooked. In 2018, a study showed that about only 1.4% of HVAC technicians were women. Today that number is growing, but we've only just begun.
And I'm so happy that Brandy Ference in Toronto won that award. She is somebody that I really look up to and aspire to. So I'm just so thrilled that I was there for that moment. And then, of course, back to the AHR Expo itself. It was Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and just full-on overwhelm of people and things to see and tools to try. It was so incredible. But instead of me telling you, why don't I show you? I got to meet so many people and take so many selfies. I was really humbled by all the people coming up to me and saying, you know, Jess, I watch your videos. Thank you so much for making them and posting them. A lot of them said, I have daughters that watch you. I gave out so many stickers, and it was just such an amazing time. Highlights for myself was meeting and being interviewed by Chris Stevens of HVAC Videos. Who I watched so much during school. He helped me during school, whether he knows it or he doesn't know it. He knows it now because I told him. And he is just so humble. He's just like, I'm just a regular guy making videos. I just want to help others. Hey guys, look who I'm here with. It's Chris.
Just some random person you found at the show. Like, why did you come up to me? This is really weird. Come on.
I'm so starstruck right now. It's quite crazy. But Chris just interviewed me here. We had a lovely conversation. Look at this setup. Oh my goodness. Yeah, we're here at the Park of Sporland booth, meeting all the people.
It is awesome. You know what? I don't understand why you're starstruck. Like, I'm just a normal service technician, but it is really cool to be recognized. So
well, thank you for putting out your videos and putting out everything that you do for us, because as up-and-comers, we need you.
Awesome. I'm glad to help, because coming up, I had a hard time learning. So if I can make it easier and hope that you don't make the same mistakes as I do, that's the whole point.
Thanks, man.
No problem.
Awesome. And there's just so many of those types of guys out there. They're just willing to help, willing to put themselves out there and to spend their time and their energy making these videos. It takes a long time and a lot of energy to do that. So I was like a little bit fangirling over him, which is so great. And then another highlight of my trip was speaking on an influencer panel. That was moderated by Ben Poole of HVAC Tactical. We had 10 people on the stage. And we had a panel discussion about how social media is changing the HVAC industry and also the skilled trades as a whole.
It's interesting to see just the impact of just random strangers walk up and just be like, dude, I've been watching your video. You told me something last night. Why don't you share that?
Which one's that?
About, you said somebody changed their career.
Oh yeah, I've had, again, I put me on the spot, I don't like to talk about this.
all good.
I tell friends, but it's all good. So yeah, I've had a few people reach out to me and say, hey, I was in a weird place, and my big platform is YouTube, and YouTube algorithm just randomly started recommending my videos to other people. So I got a big influx of IT people and automotive people, and that happened about 3-4 years ago. And then all of a sudden, someone walks up to me at a trade show and he's like, yeah, I was in a weird place and I changed careers and I've been doing this for 3 years now. And it's like, that hit me because the stress and the anxiety, because I have all kinds of problems, and the stuff I deal with and the pressure I feel that I put on myself for posting content, I just helped fill one person. Like one, and maybe there's more, and all of us probably do that, and we don't even know that. The true impact of social media right now, I don't even think we even realize, and I said that at the tactical, which we have not realized it.
We've only scratched the surface of what's happening here.
I agree. I don't think we really identified how much leverage social media or influence is going to have and in what ways it's going to affect the industry.
Well, I'll leave it there for this vlog. I'm so glad to be back. I am looking forward to putting a proper vlog out next week after a full week back at work. Oh, you guys, I'm so excited to apply my new knowledge to my work. I'm excited because of all of the people that have just inspired me so much over the last 3 days. And I'm just pumped, you guys. Thank you for watching. See you next week.